This is the TOPDON ArtLink 500 code reader. Basically, this machine will diagnose any issues and engine light problems in your vehicle. It can scan, read and erase codes. It has a live data format, a code library feature, and you can print off the data off your PC too. So in the package you will get this super lightweight TOPDON code reader. Comes in a built-in handy LED torch, a data transfer cable, and a manual. The code reader will work on all OBD tube modes for 1996 and newer vehicles. Let's set this up. Right, in Diagnose you can read codes if you do have a fault. You can also erase the fault. So for example, if your engine light is on and you have fixed the fault but the light remains on, you can reset the light by erasing the code. The IM function is there to check the operations of the emission system. In DataStream you will find all information on how well your car is performing. So if you understand the readings, you will know if there is an issue or even what functions of your vehicle is performing well. Guys, instead of paying over £20 at the garage to diagnose a fault, just invest in one of these machines in your household. So whenever there is an internal fault with your vehicle, you can pick up what the issue is. Remember that a diagnostic test carried out by any machine are not perfectly accurate. They cannot tell the technician or the tester precisely what the problem is in many cases, but it is there to lead you the way in solving the problem. For example, there was a fault with the oxygen sensor, which was shown on their expensive diagnostic machine at a garage. The oxygen sensor was replaced, still the fault kept on coming back. Found out in the end it was the EGR valve that needed cleaning. Now on the TOPDON code reader you can select each individual item to grab live data stream or even compare them, such like oxygen sensors. Finally, that can come in handy is a code lookup. So when you get a fault code, you can type this in and it will explain to you further what the fault is. So next time you diagnose your car to check for issues like the engine, transmission, oil tank, throttle or sensors, just plug and play this device that will help you solve your problem. Drive safe. Peace.